Okay, so I'm super excited about this brand, MAC. What's up, people? They gave us their Amplified lipstick to put in the swag bag. The Amplified is like a semi-luster, ultra creamy, super bold. It's an award-winning lipstick, and I have the color, what do I have? Smoked Almond. Smoked Almond is perfect. Let me show you why. Look no further. These smell great, feel great, look great. What else do you need? Okay, so next is Glitter Baby. Yes, from Smith & Colt, another brand that I'm super obsessed with and so happy that they're in this bag this month. This is a really cool product. So it's a super holy smoke show of a glitter. The more you add, the higher the intensity gets, and the more you rub it, the smokier it gets. So look at this. I'm gonna throw it on here. It glides on super easy, as you can see. So beautiful. I love this brand so much. So look at that, and then love it. Sick. Now we're talking lashes. So these are Ardell's Naked Lashes. They are number 420. Hey, 420. Super natural, looks super great. Let's put them on. I'm obsessed. This line is one of my favorite lash lines. The lashes come with duo glue. So this glue happens to be the hyperallergenic one, the latex-free, formaldehyde-free. So if you are sensitive, this is actually gonna be great for you. Pull down those lashes to take any of the excess off. Now I'm gonna take this duo glue and I'm gonna paint it on the lashes, right on the strip. You guys see that? Right on the band. Ta-da! That's how easy it is. And now my eyes look lifted, they look natural, and when they dry, I'll put a coat of mascara, and now we're cooking with lashes, baby. Loves it. This company has been in the bag before, and now they have a serum, which is so exciting. It's a skin perfecting serum, and you put it on clean skin. It kind of feels like a light lotion, and it's gonna help with wrinkles, elasticity, brightness. I mean, this is amazing. So again, CHUDA is a miracle. That's what the name means in Russian. They've done it again. They've done it again. EPICUREN to the rescue. That's right. You've been asking for an eye cream and we delivered. EPICUREN eye cream. Just take a little bit. So amazing. I'm just gonna put it on underneath. This is supposed to keep in the moisture. Now, when this area is moisturized, you don't have as many wrinkles and you don't look as tired and you don't look dull. So that's what this eye cream is doing. It's super active as well. It feels really good. It looks gorgeous. I mean, hi, who am I? I have no makeup on. And it doesn't matter if you have good skincare, you're gonna just kill them. You're gonna kill them, Alice. You know what I'm saying? EPICUREN, thanks so much. This is so amazing. And taking care of your skin makes makeup look better and makes it so you don't have to wear as much. I fell in love with these masks. So MIEUX Biocellin mask. So, okay, so you clean your face. Now we have skincare on and I think there's nothing wrong with a little extra help. You know what I mean? I want you to see my bangs. They're atrocious. Look at this. You can scare your children. Tell them the boogeyman will bother them if they're not good and then just run in there. Just kidding, don't do that. They'll cry. Maybe I should. Oh, it feels so good. And it just, let me tell you, this is great before you go to a special event. This is great when you wake up and you feel really tired. I love it so much. And MIEUX, I can't believe you're in the bag. Woohoo! Okay, so we've used this line before, Deodoc, created by two sisters that are doctors, gynecologists, and they're trying to break the taboo of the whole vagina. I'm just gonna say it, that's what it is. Right, babe? That's right, babe. So think of this as like a deodorant for your vajayjay. You spray it about 10 to 12 inches from the whole area. Just spritz it on. pH balances. Smells great. It's a jasmine pear. And listen, self-care is not just about makeup and hair. It's your whole body. So we need to take care of our whole body. I trust this line. I'm so happy that they keep coming back to the swag bag. It's something that needs to be addressed, okay? So we gotta take care of the entire body, not just this, okay? This whole thing is your money maker. Let's take care of it. We're gonna live longer, better lives. We're gonna have better hygiene, and we're gonna smell like jasmine pear. Hello? Come on now.